Cameron, good to see you again. First off, let me see. Can I give you a handshake? That actually kind of works. Maybe a fist bump is better. There we go. Got a lot of comments on YouTube video about different things to try out and test. So I thought we could
this getting a bit. Whoa.
For round two.
Whoa.
See what else can we do with the spatial personas and sharing and all of that. So I actually have some notes over here. First off, people are wondering if I turn on I
think it's like a beta of sun.
Do you see that same environment? So I'm gonna go ahead and flip on my environment. So what happens to you in your view when I turn on that environment?
So nothing currently.
Okay.
But I believe if I turn on the immersive environment, I should get the same one as you.
So let's see.
There's no way. Immersive environment.
And tell me what you see.
Oh my.
I see white sand.
Yeah. And now, actually, if I were to do...
Hey, fuck off, man.
Yeah, sharing it will change it. So now... Perfect. So that works. I'm going to dial out this environment and be back to reality.
We're actually
Another thing that somebody was...
Bro, this is going to be Ready Player Zero, bro. I'm telling you. Niggas going to be on treadmills with their VR. Fuck. Oh my god.
About before I was trying to see if I could move you, and that didn't work. But I think if I pinch your head, yes, and
it's
now
moving now. Right now, it's moving too fast.
I'm moving you. Do you see anything different when I do that? Did I?
You turn into a profile photo.
Okay.
Real.
And I'm in your same view.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, cool. I'm on the Apple developer page here.
Wait, can you
pull up?
You can share screen.
Model.
See if you
USDZ
a model.
3D. I'm going to share it.
So you've now come beside me.
Oh, there you are. Yeah. Okay. And now.
And I can hit join. Let's see, and now I see a shoe.
Okay. Can you interact with the shoe?
If I get close to it.
Yeah.
I can.
I was thinking that as well. They've just been hiding shit, and they're really it's just coming to light now. Like they're finally, because I don't even want to know how long they've been developing this. Like this is like one of God knows how many. Just keeps getting better.
Yeah, I see it.
Just the cost.
Now, if you stop and let me do it.
Oh yeah, NASA.
And you see that rotating. Somebody was asking if I could just share play all of Safari. So let me see.
Of course you can. Of course you can now.
Share my entire window.
Wait, so are they in the same house? Is this like a...
Can be shared.
How are they connecting to each other? Is it like a... It can't...
Here, share my entire window.
Like how
it says only one activity can be shared, which is weird because I don't think we're sharing anything else.
I don't see anything else around.
And let me actually... Sorry, I'm going to
So how have they joined each other? Is I mean... It's like an online thing, but like that's kind of. Is it like it's like a FaceTime, but yeah.
All right. Well, that's not working. Let me try.
Nah, movie thing would be crazy. Not shared. Yeah, you can share that.
Okay.
You can share that.
Is this shared for you?
Yes, but you've kind of frozen in the screen. Okay, you're now beside me.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, I see you beside me
here.
Oh my! We're watching something.
Nah.
Okay, and I'm curious if I wanted to go ahead and just sit in a chair here. You're still kind of over there, and I might place you. So I can still, and you can see that the screen moves while I am trying to move you. And then you just kind of stay right there. And now if you're looking at the screen and kind of point to the screen.
Yeah,
so it's still, still kind of in that shared space. Do you have the ability to resize the screen at all?
Let's see, I can move it backwards and that moves you with it.
Can you make the screen bigger?
Technically.
Can you make it bigger?
Gotcha.
So it's like an IMAX thing.
And I move it really close and it gets technically bigger, but it's really just the same scale.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I see.
You can't increase the size of it.
Can't change the size of the screen at all. So we're kind of stuck with this theater here. So now, let me bring this back and give us some time. So another question people had, do you also see that full resolution on your side? Are you seeing the 4K?
I believe so.
Okay, like it looks really good to you. There's no...
Wow.
It looks good enough.
Good enough.
Looks better than Quest.
I said you're in the fucking
So
just
I'm
desert
also going
watching
to go
side.
into theater mode. Actually, let me first do White Sands. Did that change for you? Are you now sitting in White Sands?
I am sitting in nighttime White Sands.
Yep. We're in cinema mode. You see cinema mode yourself?
Yep.
Okay. And I'm guessing you have like full hand occlusion and everything still in this.
Yep.
Yeah, so it looks normal. I'm going to change so we're in front row. Let's go to back row.
Back row, yeah, this is the shit I'm talking about. IMAX.
Great.
This is the IMAX shit.
All right, I think we're done testing with Apple TV. I'm going to stop share play.
Oh,
There you are right in front of me
God.
again. Let me look back at my list and see what else. So I was curious if I can share my Mac screen with you.
Chill now. You're getting a bit too, you
See if
get me?
it'll even let me connect. Okay,
You're getting a bit
guys.
too... The fact you can see him walk around his house is... Nah.
Okay. Oh, and not shared, so I'm assuming...
Wait, I didn't even know it worked like that. It just... That shit just pops up like that.
Okay. Oh, and not
And
shared,
you can
so I'm
move
assuming
it.
This will work.
Oh my God.
So you're still with me, okay?
And you just have to look at
It is
and
weird. I
just
keep getting this
squeeze.
error that only one thing is available to share, but
Even though there's nothing else.
yeah. So assuming this would work, maybe it's a bug. We'll have to try that again later. But the fact that we can have a FaceTime call, I have my own
FaceTime.
Big Mac
Yeah.
screen here, but cannot share it because of this error that we're getting right here. Okay, I'll exit out of that. I mean, I think that's about it.